Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at that Kasa Smart Wi-Fi plug. The model is HS103P2 and you have only one inside the box, or if you want you can always buy multiple inside the box. Those plug, they're working with Google Home, Echo and Alexa. You need to set up on 2.4 gig your Wi-Fi just to be sure those guys they're going to work. The plug is going to work with a lamp, a fan, Christmas tree and voice with your Google Home Nest or Amazon or Echo. You have a voice control, a auto off timer, so like that you can time when it's time to shut it down. You can always put an alarm if you want. You can smart a schedule, so like that you can say Monday to Friday those lights they're going to open. You have a remote control on your cell phone and you can group everything all together. Like if you buy like 10 of those guys, everything is going to be okay. Those items, they are certified UL, so don't worry. What exactly is included inside the box is going to be the plug and two flyer, or if you want, two user manual in French and in English. And in the back, an reachable link. Now what exactly I'm going to do, I'm going to ask my wife to turn on this light here. So like that you can see it's not me. I don't have any in my cell phone. It's there. So I'm going to ask my wife to turn on the light. Okay, Minou? Okay, Minou? Et voila. I hope you like this video about that Kasa Smart Plug Wi-Fi. If you love it, don't forget to like it. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't worry, the link is going to be down there. And if you want, you can always leave a message down there too. That's going to be really appreciated. And see you next week.